So today is the last class of this academic year. Next year we are going to start the new academic year with the new chapter. Today, smart charts, what we did in the last class, I would like to revise the chapter. Last class we did many problems on smart charts. Homework is also given. Today let us see the textbook. Few questions of the textbook are discussed. Few more questions we are going to do now. Right now, I hope you all are having textbook with you. Take a pencil, mark the answer in the textbook itself. No need to write in the notebook. So please take the textbook and pencil. We will do in the textbook itself. Textbook, smart charts. Smart charts. See, look at the first question of the smart chart. The beginning. All of us enjoy watching television or listening to the radio. So radio nowadays is not available. So many people will not even know about the radio. If you have the old type of radio in your home, ask your father or grandfather, they will be knowing well about the radio. And if you have seen the radio, fine. Otherwise, you can look at the picture. It is given radio. So radio is the most enjoyable instrument in the olden days. Nowadays, TV has taken the place of radio. All people enjoy TV. Now the new generation enjoying smartphones and everything. But earlier, TV was the most likely enjoyment object in the home. Note the time you spend in front of TV or radio every day. Do this for 1 week. That time spent in a week is how many hours? So it is, you have to prepare a chart here. It is given. One chart you have to give. How many hours they watch TV or listen radio in a week? Number of children. More than 6 hours. How many children watching TV more than 6 hours? And how many children watch TV exactly 6 hours, 5 hours, 4 hours, 3 hours, and 2 hours, 1 hour? How many people do not watch TV at all? So roughly here, some numbers we will take. Let us take uniform numbers. I will give the numbers, you take the same number. More than 6 hours, let 10 children are there. Exactly 6 hours, 8 are there. 5 hours, 4 are there. 4 hours, 7 are there. 3 hours, let 3. Random and take it. 3 hours. 2 hours, 2 are there. 1 hour, 6 are there. 0 hour, 5 hours. I hope you can see the numbers. All of you write the same numbers. All of you write the same numbers so that you can answer the questions. 10, 8, 4, 7, 3, 2, 6, 5. Randomly, I have given these numbers so that all will write the same numbers. Okay, now answer the questions. How many children spend more than 6 hours? How many children spend more than 6 hours? 10. How many children spend more than 6 hours? 10. How many children spend no time at all? No time at all.
5.
0.
Five.
Who don't watch TV 5 hours?
Sir, in which page number? 162. 162. 162. 162.
Hours in a week.
Please unmute. Oh. So mute everyone. Mute everyone. Yes, sir.
Yes. I muted all of you. Please don't make noise. How many children spend more than 3 hours? More than 3 hours. Means all this has to be taken. More than 3 hours. More than 3 means who spent 4 hours, who spent 5 hours, who spent 6 hours, who spent more than 6. All this to be taken. So 10 plus 8, 4 plus 7. This you have to take. Twenty-nine children spend more than 3 hours. More than 3 hours. 29 children are there. Okay. So you can answer there itself in the textbook. Now this. What about this activity? This is about your family personal lives. There are different type of TV programs or radio such as cartoons, news, sports, music, plays, serials. Okay. So here, Juhi father like watching serials, her mother likes sports. Juhi like news programs. Ask people in your family to know one program they like and one program they dislike. Make a table. So I'm going to make a table since I need a common answer for all. So I would like to give common opinions here. Family members. Generally in your family, like mother will be there, father will be there, brother, sister, and yourself. Yourself. Your choice is also going to consider. So what they like, what they dislike. So what your mother generally likes? Yes. Father generally likes news. Brother likes sports. Sister likes movies. Yourself, you like Mother don't like news.
Good morning, sir.
You don't like sports. Always he shouts on your brother while you are watching on this.
So we should write our own. Sir?
Common answers for all.
So we should write our own.
Teacher attendance వాడు క్లాస్కి వచ్చేవాడు అని చెప్పారు. Or we have to write.
Bye.
Sir, I can't see this.
It's
What's it?
Louder.
Sir, I can. Sir, we should write our own.
How happened? Oh.
Sir, own or
Sir, we
right
should write
answer
our
what I
own.
am saying. You can write on your own or you can write the answers what I have written.
Sir,
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now look at the answers. The kind of program most family members, which is liked by more. Program is liked by more.
Sir, we should write our own.
You can write on your own or you can write the answer what I
Write on your own.
which is liked more. Sports is appeared 2 times, all are one time only. So they like sports more. The family likes sports more. What is a dislike? Dislike.
అనుకుంటే రాయడం అనుకుంటే ఇంకా
Which appears you can do this on your own, ask your family members, you can do as an activity. Otherwise, I have given my own answer to you. If you want, you can copy this. You have to write in the textbook itself. No need to do in the note. Here itself, it will be complete.
So we can write cartoons.
You can add family members also. You can add grandfather, grandmother. If they have seen so many columns are there, you can add. You can write like programs, dislike programs. You can answer yourself. Most
So
important.
we have to write
Sir, we can write cartoons.
You have,
Sir, we can write cartoons.
So we can write cartoons.
yes. This also same type. Find out from 20 friends. If you are coming to the school, this you would have done in the school activity. Generally, it should be done in the school activity. If you all are coming to the school, then you can go individually to each friend. You can ask how many children like news, how many like serials. Okay, number of children. This you can ask and you can do it. So since you are not coming, I will take the name here.
Okay. Bye. So last question.
News, serials,
Sir, news also, sir. Cartoons,
Yes, sir. New also.
games,
comedy show,
Sir, what is the meaning of NAS?
newspaper,
news, NEWS.
news, newsers. Sir, games.
Children. Like, dislike.
Games, sir, games.
No one will like no one.
No, sir, yes, sir.
Serial, cartoon,
Yes, sir.
and news. Comedy show, 1.
Sports, no, sir.
Sports, 2. Total should be 20. Total should be 20. 20 students are.
Okay, yes.
So I'm giving 20. It's my feeling. If you want, you can change the numbers. If you change the numbers, answer will be different. News, 2 children will like. Serials, 2 children will like. Their parents are going to be watching. Cartoon, 15 children like cartoon. Pogo, I don't know the name. Pokemon. You should
Nick Junior.
Yes, sir. Very nice.
Sports, 2 members like cricket or wrestling.
Sir, the numbers we have to add.
If you add it, it becomes 20. You have to, because the survey is done on 20 students.
Okay, sir.
News, how many?
2 plus.
Sir, this one also we can write our own.
All 20
Plus 5.
serious. How many dislike? 2 like means
20.
80 dislike. Cartoon 15
Yes.
means 5 they don't like. Comedy show 1 like. So 19 they don't want to watch comedy show. Sports 2 members like. 18 members they don't like sports. This is 20. The total is 20 hours.
News 20 members don't like.
Which kind of program?
You can give randomly your numbers. You need to follow my numbers.
Sir,
Now try to answer this. Which kind of program is liked by most students? Most children. Which is liked by most children? Cartoon. Which kind of program is disliked by least number? Disliked by least number. Less people dislike. So only 5 dislike cartoons. All entertainment. How many children like sports program? Sports program, how many children like? 2 members like sports program. Is there any kind of program not liked by anyone? Is there any program which is not liked by anyone? Serial, news, it is not liked by anyone. No one likes serials. Yes. Serial, news is not liked by any of the students. No one likes news, especially small children. They are not interested in the news. Cartoons or sports, they like. Okay. So today we are trying to fill all textbook questions. Important topics are already discussed in the last class. Today we are completing the textbook. This also same. This also you are generally these all are activities we are supposed to do in the class if students are attending the class. If they are coming to the class, we can ask which food you like, which food you like, which food you like. You like roti or you like rice. What you like? We can ask the students, then we can fill this. Rice. Number of persons who like rice. Number of students who like wheat. Number of students who like ragi, Maggi, different food items. If you remember this, we have done in the class. Do you remember? Drama chart. This drama chart already we did in the last class. Okay, this revision is completed. Chapati chart. Pie chart or chapati chart. See this pie chart. Those who like to get wet in the rain, generally children always would like to enjoy the timing in the rain.
those who like to get wet.
Like to go in rain. This is not like to go in rain. If you observe this, generally circle 4 parts. So each part is 1 by 4. So only this will be 1 by 4. So only this part will be 1 by 4. Entire remaining will be 3 by 4. Out of 4 parts, 3 parts is this, 1 part is this. So try to answer this. How many children like to get wet in the rain? How many children like to get wet in the rain? Maximum area. How much? Out of 4? 3.
3, 4.
3 out of 4. 3 out
3, 4. 3, 4.
of 4 people will get wet in rain. See, this is always children like to wet in the rain, but this is not the right time. The winter season, so cold cough can easily attack. So be careful. It is only problem we are giving the answer. Generally, if rain comes, people don't don't take the risk. How many children do not like to get wet in rain? The remaining portion.
Half.
1/4.
Half.
1/4.
1/4, sir.
1/4, sir.
1/4.
1/4.
Out of 4, only 1.
Oh, who is singing this song? Please mute all.
Don't sing songs. Don't pick up the class. Otherwise, I have to mute all of you. Look at this. Tea, coffee, milk. Some children were asked which of these they like most. 20 students like milk, coffee 10 students, and tea 10 students. Milk 20, tea 10 students, coffee 10 students. What is the total number of students? 40 students are there. 40 students. Out of 40, 20 takes milk. So that means half of the students like milk. Only 10 members. So it is again half of half. That means 1/4 of the students. This also 1/4 of the students. Simple calculation. Out of 40, 20 will be half, 10 will be 1/4 and 1/4. So answer the questions. Children who like milk, 1/2 or 1/4? Milk means 1/2. Half of the students like. Children who like coffee, coffee is 1/4. 1/4 like coffee. That's the question. He is asking, show this in a chapati chart. How to show this in a chapati chart? How to show this in a chapati chart? In a pie chart, circle. Half of the people like milk, 1/4 like tea, 1/4 like coffee. Of course, tea and coffee liked by same number as per the question. He is asking to go for chapati chart also. So milk, tea, coffee. Half of the children like milk, 1/4 like tea, and 1/4 like coffee. See, this is the holiday homework we are giving to you. Holiday homework only on 2 chapters. Play with patterns and smart charts. Play with patterns, smart chart is completed fully, and worksheets also given to you. And from those worksheets, some different models are covered here. First question, look at the patterns, number patterns, then picture patterns, square, circle, square, circle. So what are the next 3 diagrams? All these holiday homework you have to write in a neat white notebook or A4 sheet papers. Then take a picture of that and mail to me, not to WhatsApp. You all are having my mail ID. Please mail to me, because this holiday homework carries 10 marks for the coming SAT examination. So this holiday homework carry marks. So do it neatly in a white paper, do it neatly. And take the neat picture of that and send to me to my mail ID. See, these are the questions. If you have any doubts in this, you can ask. Up to this patterns. From here onwards, smart charts. Very few questions are there. So we will have homework in all other subjects. So I am giving less homework. Try to practice all the questions. Try to learn the subject. The remaining 3 to 4 chapters are left that we will do after reopen. See, play with patterns. It's very easy. If you won't understand, you can ask me only. Don't ask the others. You can ask me. I will clarify what is the answer, what is the problem, everything. You can ask me. It's very easy. 1 leaf, 2 leaves, 3, 4 leaves, then 5, 6, 7, 8. Like this you have. 2 straight, then 2 opposite, 3 straight, 3 down, 4 up, 4 down, like this. If you look at the patterns carefully, easily you can understand.